I'm going to show you how to snag the best deals on airfare using Google Flights. With these tips, you'll be able to use this tool to save money and explore the world. Let's dive in. All right, let's start by visiting flights.google.com. So here you'll find the Explore option, which is such a user-friendly way to search for flights online throughout the world. Simply enter your home airport and use the various filters like travel dates, budget, destinations, even layover options, and even airlines to tailor your search. So Google Flights just lets you see prices across different destinations on a world map. So it's really convenient, really easy to use, and really fun to explore. The first point I want to mention here is that flexibility really is key. Google Flights displays a calendar view here with the cheapest days to fly highlighted right here for you. Try experimenting with different departure and return dates to find the best deals. Rule of thumb is the more flexible you are, the more time spent you're willing to travel, or the more layovers you're willing to have, the more money you'll obviously be able to save. Searching for major hubs. For example, if you're based in Salt Lake City, consider starting your journey from LAX. Often flights from major hubs like JFK, Denver, Las Vegas, Boston, etc. are significantly cheaper. With being out of Salt Lake, the majority of international flights I personally take are out of LAX, and I'll simply use miles on Delta or a SkyTeam partner to fly to and from Salt Lake for really cheap or sometimes free. Sometimes Salt Lake City will have some great deals that do make it really convenient, but more times than not, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, or Denver are my go-to hubs for international travel. Find the nearest international hub for you and make sure to do research out of not only your hometown, but out of those major hubs as well. And if you're enjoying these tips so far, you'll love Trace Travel. We find the best deals from your home airport, sometimes saving you 50, even 90% off regular fares. Head to tracetravel.co to get 30 days for free. Sometimes flying directly to your destination can also be pricey. An effective strategy is flying into a cheaper hub, then catching a connecting flight. For instance, if Nice, France is your goal, but flights are really expensive directly to Nice, try flying first to common deal hubs like Paris, London, or Barcelona, and then hop on a budget airline to Nice. You know, really it's just about being creative and flexible with your routing from your starting point and your destination point. So Google Flights not only finds the cheapest flights, but it also lets you book directly with the airlines if it's allowed, and not primarily just third parties. This ensures you get the best possible deal without extra fees or third-party commissions. Plus, you can track specific flights and receive email alerts when prices drop, helping you buy at the perfect time. Now you should be ready to start booking your next adventure. Thanks for watching. For more travel tips and tricks, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.